Hey everyone, this is Amber from Chengchuan Heavy Truck Company. I currently on site at our factory for truck delivery. Our 20 trucks shipping to Nigeria, both 8x4 dump trucks and 6x4 dump trucks. The high quality trucks has been purchased by my Nigeria customers. We take pride in our refurbishment progress, ensure the truck with the highest quality, ensure the best performance in our customers' business. If you are interested in our high quality trucks, I'm Amber. You are welcome to contact me and inquire about the trucks. Thank you.